my lovely viewers, how are you? This is Sylwia, and here I come with my Launch-O-Matic review. So guys, to put it briefly, Launch-O-Matic is an information product, and it's a pretty comprehensive training course on how to launch a product on Warrior Plus. Okay, now when you launch a product, this is where the money is, okay? Because, it's a digital product, and, depending on how much you charge for it, I mean, if you sell 100 copies, if you even charge like $10 or something, you make $1,000, and because, it's not like a physical product, obviously, okay, and you don't have to worry about shifting this and that. It's pretty cool, to create a digital product, whether there would be a training course or a software, and then you launch it on Warrior Plus. You can also launch it on JVZoo. Is another cool platform, but it's more like for softwares, But in that training course, Launch-O-Matic, you will be taught how to launch a product on a platform called Warrior Plus. And just to give you an idea, guys, I mean, this training course is pretty comprehensive. Again, it's in-depth, and it goes at around 30 bucks. I think just under 30 bucks, 26 or 27, something like that. But just to give you an idea, like a perspective, I am personally a member of a high-ticket course called Ministry of Freedom. And in that course, I pay like $1,500 for that course, okay? just to be like totally transparent. And, Ministry of Freedom has taught me like many things. I've been doing this for 6 months now, and I started from like being, tech green. I didn't even know what affiliate marketing meant, for goodness sake. Anyhow, but, I've come a long way. I'm a quick learner kind of. I believe. I know I am, okay, and I really like dig in and do my research, and I study hard. So yeah, it's been exciting for me. But just to give you an idea, like, I've paid so much, and like the product creation. Sorry, I've been talking too much today. The product creation is just is a part of my training course, Ministry of Freedom. I am like, they teach me there about launch jacking, so like, how to become an affiliate marketer, how to create a product. I learned about paid ads, but the product creation is a big part of my training course, and this is how much I've paid for it, okay? So the Launch-O-Matic is a comprehensive training course as well. I think, he's undercharging really. But this is just the launch price, so I believe after the launch the price will be going up because it's too much of a quality, this training course. But anyhow, I'll show you the members area. I will go like step by step through the modules. You will see what you will find in that course, and you will see with your own eyes, how much value you will find there. And then we'll go through the sales page as well. And we'll talk about prices, all of that. And I've got some freebies at the end, so stay tuned. Anyhow, let's dig in. So this is the members area. I just want to go quickly maybe through the sales page first and just, see what they claim. So Launch-O-Matic, are you missing out on proven passive income? Create passive income streams, perfect for newbies, no experience needed. Build your own list of buyers. Listen to the catching of sale after sale. All right, catching, okay, they with this hyphen. Anyhow, live the laptop lifestyle. Launch your own products on Warrior Plus, taught by a Warrior Plus super vendor. Yeah, this guy, okay, he charges $27 for now. So you just click on this one to buy it, and you get it via my link. I've put the link if you want to buy it from me, guys. You get 30 days money back guarantee. So this vendor has launched quite a few products on Warrior Plus, so he knows what he's talking about. So he's been around the blocks, as they say, and he talks from experience. So he has put this product together to you know, educate you on how to launch your own product on Warrior Plus. Simple. So you will get over 3 hours of video training, okay? Over like over the shoulder case study, over 3 hours of video training, not bad. Review of successful launch, behind the scenes of my Warrior Plus account. Your eyes will be popping. Okay, so behind the scenes of his Warrior Plus account. Interesting. I love those case studies always. Here's some testimonials. I know this guy here, Russ Perry. He's one of the moderators that, you know, we have like in Ministry of Freedom. We have this community, amazing Facebook community where we like kind of inspire each other, help each other out as well. He's a cool guy, so he's left his testimony here. And here's some bonuses as well you will get on top of just the front end. Alright, so anyhow, some frequently asked questions. You can check it all out in your own time, guys. This is on the sales page. You'll get to it via the link below my video. And this is the guy who's behind it, Ken Blutman. Okay, right, so here's what you will find inside the members area. And just bear in mind the front end is like from case study upwards. Okay, so home, start here, basic step-by-step instructions, case study. This is your front end, so the $27 I believe that was, right? And then advanced strategies, OTO number 1. I'll show you what you will find in those OTOs. I believe 3 OTOs. And then using PLR to make a product, that's OTO number 2, and digital product workshop, that's OTO number 3. And then you have help and bonuses. All right, let's start from the beginning and see what you have. So this is home. So you have like a welcome video from, what was his name? Ken, from Ken. And then start here. So okay, so here's what you will find under this module. So the big picture, how the money works, launch detail, traffic and marketing, behind the scenes of my Warrior Plus account. So that sounds interesting. Now basics. Okay, as you can see, it is a comprehensive training. Look how much you have. How many, like, so over 3 hours long, all in total. You know, he's poured his heart out, it seems to me. So anyhow, so product types, funnels, sales pages, JD page, JD doc, because, you know, you will need to build all these pages, guys. You know, you will need the sales page, JV doc for the affiliates that will be like helping you out to sell the product, just like, you know, I am one of his affiliates, so I am promoting his product. So if you like create your own product, a lot of people will come to you, the affiliates, who will want to promote that product. So you will need to provide like email swipes for them, like many things. Okay, so outsourcing, so how you can outsource some of the work, because it's so time consuming, like doing certain things that, you know, it's nice to have help to basically outsource it, right? About the autoresponder, so about like sending emails. Launch-O is the calendar where vendors launch their products. So they launch, you will find the products that are being launched on either Warrior Plus or JVZoo. So the Launch-O is like shows you all of the launches, okay? It's up to date, so everything is live. And then Facebook, JV groups, how to create those affiliate approvals, support, because a lot of people will be like approaching you, you know, asking you to approve the links. Some of them can be like a waste of time, so you don't really want to approve them. So you have to, like, when you want to promote a vendor, so like a product, then, you know, you have to approach the vendor nicely. You have to explain to them, be honest, transparent. If you're a newbie, that's fine. Just tell them honestly, okay, I've just started on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, and then I would like to start, I would like to promote your product. I'll be using like either, I don't know, my blog or YouTube or social media or paid ads to promote your offer. And, you know, that's how you have to go about it. So you have to, you know, be proper. And then legal pages. Okay, so all those copyrights, all of that. So awesome. So that's the basics, and then step-by-step instructions you will find here. So the product, pre-setup activities, Warrior Plus setup, test purchase, autoresponder, test. So all of the testing before you can actually you actually launch the product, before the launch date. First day sales. Okay, exciting. Sounds exciting. I'm thinking of doing my own product launch soon. Not yet. I'm just studying hard now, just eating up the knowledge, because you need to have a skill. You need to come up with something of a quality, because I don't certainly want to be creating some crap products, but something that would bring value to people. Okay, and then we have case study. So you will have, I believe, a couple of free videos. So it's exciting. Start maybe with the case study, because it's always kind of inspirational and motivational to just watch that. Okay, once it loads up, I'll show you. Okay. Oh, just bear with me. My internet has been rather slow today. I've been firing one review after another one, to be honest. So that's why my voice is kind of giving up, but still with you guys. Okay, so here we have the case study videos. So the first one is JV page, JV doc. The second one is sales page, and then the sales analysis. Okay, interesting. Okie dokie, so here from this is the upsells. I'll show you the prices of the upsells and what you will find. Here's the bonuses as well, so you get the bonuses on top of just the front end. Again, the front end at $27 for now, guys, for now. I'm pretty sure Ken will be raising the price soon. Front end bonuses, so you just click here to download. And then you have advanced strategies upsell bonuses, so if you pick up the upsell. Okay, and then we have the PLR product training upsell bonuses, so another upsell which comes with the number 2 upsell and unannounced bonuses. So okay, here's some unannounced bonuses here. Okay. Alright, so let me see the funnel. So front end covers all of the facets of launching, from selecting a product to listing it on Warrior Plus, to finding affiliates, to capturing buyer lists, and all of the other details of making a go live. OTO number 1, $37. Advanced strategies, how to really make a launch take off. Includes cross-selling, coupons and discounts, private promotions, and more. Okay. And then we have OTO number 2 for $47. Special training on how to turn PLR into a product. Product creation is hard for many. This step-by-step training makes it easy for people to follow along and make their own unique product. Alright, and then upsell number 3. Okay, just 1 second, guys. So upsell number 3 is the expensive one for $199. This is a deep discount on my high-ticket digital product workshop training. Okay, this is a $1,000 worth course that I am offering at a low price here, since it is a natural progression from learning about launching. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. So we've covered the sales page, the product, you see what you have inside, and here is some freebies for me. Essentially, this is a video I have created on bonuses, because there are people who offer you bonuses, but do you know what bonuses are? Now, guys, I'll give you unlimited bonuses, okay? I'll put the link of this video below my review video. This is a review that I am about to fire. Sorry, I have really been talking too much, goodness me. About to fire up now, okay? And so watch that video, and under that video you will find a link to unlimited bonuses. Go and grab them. This is a thank you from me for picking up Launch-O-Matic from Sylwia. Okay, the link is below my video. Okay, guys, love you and leave you. Take care. Have a gorgeous day, and stay cool and stay tuned. I was gonna say like in tune with yourself. Was I trying to say something else? Anyhow, I'm just being silly here. Okay, take care. Mwah. See you in my next one.